Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we're looking at email marketing for e-commerce. If you are looking to sell email marketing services to e-commerce companies, this is the video for you. Who am I? They call me the Cold Email King. I'm the author of Cold Email Manifesto, and I've sent millions of emails to businesses in order to offer services. We've generated over $100 million in leads for our clients. And in this video, I want to go through the cold email that somebody else is using to book meetings with e-commerce and make it better so that it converts higher, to give you a free, high-performing cold email script that you can use to book meetings with e-commerce companies to sell them email marketing. Stick around. This is going to be a good one. But before we jump in, make sure that you hit that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube and subscribe down below for more videos like this. All right, let's jump into it. Here is the email from Charles. Subject line. Quick question. Hi, Lauren. Love how dedicated you are to the fabulous experience people have when they visit your website for Ellie Fox. My name is Charles. I specialize in writing high-converting emails for e-commerce stores. Last month, our client Trophy Coffee increased their sales by 441%, and my other client, Angry Ballerina in the clothing niche, made $274,000 with a month's worth of campaigns I wrote for them. I would love to do something similar for you and Ellie Fox. Would you be interested in a quick 7-minute Zoom call soon? Talk soon, Charles. Let's look at the stats. I love that he provided stats. This makes me so happy. So he sends 20 to 30 a day with a 90 to 100% open rate. So already we know the lead quality is good. Maybe he's getting leads from Lead Shark, I hope. Then the reply rate is 1 to 2 replies off of 30 to 50 sends, which is slightly underperforming. Let's say 2 replies off of 50 sends would be a 4% reply rate. I do not know if that's a 4% meeting book rate, but then he gets 1 to 2 replies per week. So his stats are actually all over the place and don't make any sense. Great. I love when people confidently send me information that's like, I send 20 to 30 per day and I get 90 to 100% open rate. Like, what does that mean, bro? Do you get like a 94% open rate? Like, what is 90 to 100%? My reply rate is 1 to 2 replies out of 30 to 50 cents. This isn't data. This is fake data, bro. I don't know what this is. So I actually can't trust anything in here. Great. And then he gave us a screenshot of the data where you can see he's sending 23, 25, 31. So we can actually see this. Engaged, leads, bounces 3. 3 bounces off of 23% is very high. Why do you guys lie, dude? It's like you go to the doctor, you say you're not in pain, and then turns out you actually have cancer, but I don't know because you lied to the friggin' doctor. It's exactly like this, bro. You sent 23 emails with a 13% bounce rate, and you tell me that your open rate's 80 to 90%. It's just not true. With all that said, let's go back to the email script and see how we can improve it. Let's talk about the basics. What are we doing with a cold email? Well, first, let's boil it down to the bones. Who is the target? What is the offer? And what is the case study? And if we have all 3 of those, then we can come up with a high-performing cold email campaign. So the target is e-commerce companies. Can we get more niched? What is Ellie Fox? Let's see. Children's clothing. Okay. Children's clothing store in Charleston, South Carolina. That's great. Website needs a lot of work, it looks like. Okay. So I would use this one, Angry Ballerina, because to you, e-commerce seems like one niche, but clothing is its own niche. So if you have a niche-specific case study like Angry Ballerina, it's going to help you when you go out there for clothing. You have another clothing store. So the target now is apparel e-commerce. And the offer is writing a month's worth of email campaigns. I would try to make this more of a no-brainer and try to take the risk away. He writes high converting emails for e-commerce stores. Does he take a percentage? Is there something up front? I would love to add something to the offer to make it stupid simple. Like writing a month's worth of email campaigns for free in exchange for a percentage of sales. We got the TOC right here, the target offer case study stack. And once the TOC is found, now we can write the cold email campaign. The best place to start with a cold email campaign is the 3 C's. Compliment, case study, call to action. If you have those 3 parts of your cold email campaign, you will be better off than 99% of other campaigns on the market. Compliment means butter them up. Case study means show them that you're qualified. And call to action means book a meeting. So with that in mind, let's write this email. Subject line, quick question, which we already learned his bounce rate's too high. So my first note is before you do another send, go on over to leadshark.com and you can have the apparel niche in there. You can do that and you can get 25 free leads just from signing up. And from there, you also get that 0% bounce rate guarantee. So if you had sent these leads on LeadShark, you would have gotten 25, 30 leads for free with these bounces. Although LeadShark wouldn't have bounced, that's why it has that bounce rate guarantee to get that big fat 0, which you need for your bounce rate in order to avoid the spam box. So, subject line, quick question. Hi Lauren, I love how dedicated you are to the fabulous experience people have when they visit your website for EliFox. I would not say that for this. What? You saw it. We all saw the elifox.com website. Does this look like somebody who is dedicated to the beautiful experience someone has when looking at their website? It looks like the images are going too fast. They're cut off in a weird way. I can't even really read this. Like, no, dude. No. So instead, I would not compliment them on the website. I would compliment them on something maybe about the products. Hey, Lauren, my wife showed me EliFox last night, and I love your approach to apparel. This works for all apparel companies inside the niche without having to customize further. My name is Charles, and I specialize in writing high-converting emails for e-commerce stores. That's okay. My name is Charles. Angry Ballerina. I just helped Angry Ballerina, and I'd love to do the same for you. Let me know, because my wife loves you guys. I'd be happy to work for free in exchange for a percentage of sales. Thanks, Charles. And then you'd put this signature, and I would actually even switch this around, and I would actually change let me know to let's talk this week. And we're left with this. Subject, quick question. Hi, Lauren. My wife showed me EliFox last night, and I love your approach to apparel. Just helped Angry Ballerina make $274,000 with a month's worth of campaigns, and I'd love to do the same for you. I specialize in writing high-converting emails for e-commerce stores. Because my wife loves you guys, I'd be happy to work for free in exchange for a percentage of sales. Let's talk this week? Thanks, Charles. There you go. There's an email that'll convert better, plus some feedback on where to find leads, which is leadshark.com. If you want to learn more about lead generation and be part of a community of awesome people and have me help you out on weekly calls, then join the private community at email10k.com. It also comes with access to all of our courses on joining a business. To join that, go to email10k.com right now. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage more content like this on YouTube. Subscribe down below for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.